previous video, I showed how heavy rain damaged my plant. So in this video, I am going to show how I fixed my plants. First of all, for the small plants, I made drainage hole for the water to escape. After some time, the water escaped and then I put it some cardboard pieces so that the excess water can be absorbed. For this plant that bent completely, I tied it with a rope. Now it's completely fine. As some of you asked me about my tulsi plants, they are completely okay. Now I'm going to fix my curry patta or sweet neem plant. I tied the plant with a rope and now it's completely fine. Shoutout for this video, Parul Maheshwari, Message Jesse ASMR, Savkun Kaur, Kanika Maheshwari, Riya's Gardening Channel, Nimish Arora and Akshat Jain. Thank you everybody for your lovely comments.